Hi, I'm Andy Santos. I'm with Lixil, the parent company for American Standard Growing and DXV, and we're here at the ASPE 2024 in Columbus, Ohio. Beautiful town, great people. We're showing our commercial lines that we have for Growing and American Standard, trying to get some emphasis on some of the brass that American Standard has, excellent, our diaphragm flush valves, innovations on some of the china that we have out that we're famous for, and then bringing in the Growing line as well, which is a German line that utilizes some of the technology that we have with American Standard. So a lot of interest on the, believe it or not, on the urinals and on the diaphragm flush valve, which is, again, relatively new for American Standard, but we've had it, it's been trouble-free for the last 2 years. We're really excited about that innovation. And then the Vormax toilet, which we're introducing about 3 years ago, and we're now trying to push it in place of the pressure assisted. So those who have been using pressure assisted, we're suggesting they go with the Vormax. Flushes as well, and it's quiet. And then over on this side, we have a cadet toilet that's coming out that's going to be 19 inches high. We're going to call it the tall. And that's about it. So real good people here, wonderful turnout. Engineers have been fantastic.